8到10歲，繁體中文、英文。森林動物數學大比拼系列。動物們嘅房間有幾大？作者方曉璇女士，朱啟華博士，插畫方曉璇女士，編審陳敏儀女士。
8 to 10 years old. Bilingual book. Mathematical competition. A forest animal series. 7. How big are the animals' rooms? Authors: Ms. Fong, Xiaoxian, Dr. CHU, Samuel KW. Illustrator: Ms. Fong, Xiaoxian. Editor-in-chief: Ms. Helen Chan. English editor: Ms. Alexia Rutkowski.
學者嘅話，呢本書係森林動物數學大比拼系列嘅故事書之一，閱讀對象係8至10歲嘅小學生。作者係受到 Stuart J. Murphy 嘅 MathStar 數學故事書嘅啟發。正方形同埋長方形嘅面積計算係小學生必須掌握嘅知識，因為呢個係平面幾何嘅重要基礎。呢本書嘅故事情節能夠幫助學生喺生活中發現數學，運用數學知識解決生活中嘅小疑問。呢個系列書籍希望能夠為學生提供有意義同有趣嘅學習數學嘅方法，希望學生喺讀完之後能夠發現數學嘅美麗同熱愛數學學習。
This book belongs to a series of storybooks in the mathematical competition of forest animals. The readers are primary school students aged between 8 and 10. The authors are inspired by Stuart J. Murphy's MathSmart storybooks. The area calculation of a square and a rectangle is compulsory knowledge for primary school students, as it is an important foundation for plane geometry. The storyline of this book helps students discover mathematics in real life and enables them to apply mathematics knowledge in their everyday problem solving. This book series provides students a meaningful and enjoyable way to learn mathematics. We hope that students can discover the beauty of mathematics and love mathematics learning after reading these books.
角色介紹：小豬、小狗、
小雞、
小兔子、長頸鹿。
Introduction of roles: Piggy, Puppy, Chick, Bunny, Giraffe.
今日小動物們正在上面積計算課。
Today, the animals are learning about area calculation in class.
同學們，其實我哋身邊有好多嘅物品可以幫助我哋測量面積，例如電子、書、紙、腳簿。長頸鹿老師話：請大家諗一諗點樣測量房間面積。
Students, there are many objects around us that can help us measure the area, such as mats, books, paper, and footsteps. Teacher Giraffe said, "Please think about how to measure the area of a room."
長頸鹿老師話咧：下課啦，今日嘅作業咧係測量自己房間面積。
Teacher Giraffe said, "Class is over. Today's homework is to measure the area of your room."
大家一齊幫小動物們諗一諗，應該如何測量房間面積呢？
我會參考課堂內容。
我需要找長方形的物品。
我需要再想一想。
我需要找正方形的物品。
要點樣測量呢？小動物之間議論紛紛。
Let's help the animals figure out how to measure the area of their rooms. I will refer to classroom content.
I need to find rectangular objects.
I need to think about it. I need to find square objects.
小豬個屋企，小豬返屋企之後，攞起咗一沓正方形嘅墊子，一張張地鋪喺牆壁嘅邊上。第一邊牆壁用咗7張墊子，第二邊牆壁用咗6張墊子。
Piggy's house. When Piggy got home, he used a stack of square cushions and laid them on the sides of 2 walls in his house. The first wall used 7 cushions, and the second wall used 6 cushions.
小狗嘅家，小狗返屋企，攞起咗一沓正方形嘅紙，一張張地鋪喺兩面牆壁嘅邊上。第一邊牆壁用咗6張紙，第二邊牆壁用咗6張紙。
Puppy's house. When Puppy got home, he picked up a stack of square paper and spread them across the sides of 2 walls. The first wall used 6 sheets of paper, and the second wall also used 6 sheets of paper.
小兔子嘅家，小兔子返屋企之後，攞起咗一沓長方形嘅書，一本本地鋪喺兩面牆壁嘅邊上。第一邊牆壁用咗8本書，第二邊牆壁用咗5本書。
Bunny's house. When Bunny got home, he used rectangular books to measure 2 walls. The first wall used 8 books, and the second wall used 5 books.
小雞的家。
如果你冇測量工具， 你會點測量房間嘅面積呢？
怎麼辦呢？沒有工具，我要怎麼測量我的房間面積呢？
回家之後，到處尋找測量工具，但一無所獲。佢最後會點測量房間面積呢？
Chick's house. If you don't have any measuring tools, how can you measure the area of your room?
How can I do it? Without tools, how do I measure the area of my room?
When Chick got home, he looked for measuring tools everywhere, but he couldn't find any. How will he measure the area of his room?
我可以自己的腳步來測量房間的面積。
靈機一動啦，自己貼住房間裏邊嘅兩邊牆走咗一片，貼住第一面牆走咗4步，然後貼住第二面牆走咗3步。
I can use my own feet to measure the area of my room.
Clever Chick had an idea and walked against 2 walls of his room. Chick took 4 steps beside the first wall and took 3 steps beside the second wall.
面積課第2日，小動物們喺數學課上，跟長頸鹿老師分享自己如何測量佢哋嘅房間面積。
我用正方形墊子測量。
我用長方形的書測量。
我用我的腳步測量。
我用正方形的紙測量。
Area lesson. The next day, the animals told Teacher Giraffe how they measure the areas of their rooms. I used square cushions to measure my room.
I used rectangle books to measure my room.
I use my feet to measure my room. I use square paper to measure my room.
邊個嘅房間最大呢？邊個嘅房間最細呢？小動物們嘅房間面積係幾多呢？
Whose room is the biggest? Whose room is the smallest? What are the areas of the animal's room? 同學們，你會如何計算房間嘅面積？長頸鹿老師話啦，先分別計算兩邊牆嘅長度，然後運用面積公式計算房間嘅面積。Students, how do you calculate the area of a room? Teacher Giraffe said, first calculate the length of the 2 walls separately, and then use the area formula to calculate the area of a room.
面積計算公式：正方形嘅面積等於
邊長乘邊長，
長方形面積等於
長乘寬。
同學們可以用面積公式幫動物們算一算房間嘅面積咯。長頸鹿老師話：你需要記得呢兩個面積公式。
Area calculation formula. Square area equals side length times side length. Rectangular area equals length times width. Students, you can use this area formula to help the animals calculate the areas of their rooms. Teacher Giraffe said, you need to remember these 2 area formulas. Students, you can use this area formula to help the animals calculate the areas of their rooms. Teacher Giraffe said, you need to remember these 2 area formulas.
小豬喺屋企第一幅牆嘅長度等於電層長度乘電嘅數量，第二幅牆嘅長度等於電嘅闊度乘電嘅數量。第一幅牆總長度等於7塊電嘅邊牆加埋2乘7等於14 cm， 第二幅牆總長度等於6塊電嘅邊牆加埋2乘6等於12 cm。
The length of the first wall equals length of cushion times number of cushions. The length of the second wall equals width of cushion times number of cushions. The length of the first wall is equal to the sum of the side length of the 6 cushions. 2 times 7 is equal to 14 cm. The length of the second wall is equal to the sum of the side length of the 7 cushions. 2 times 6 is equal to 12 cm.
小豬話：兩幅牆嘅長度乘埋一齊就可以計到我間房嘅面積14乘12等於168平方嘅米。
Piggy's house. The area of Piggy's room is equal to the length of the 2 walls multiplied. 14 times 12 is equal to 168 square centimeters. Piggy said, multiple the length of the 2 walls, and then you can calculate the area of my room. 14 times 12 is equal to 168 square centimeters.
小狗喺屋企第一幅牆嘅長度 等於紙嘅長度乘紙嘅數量。第二幅牆嘅長度等於紙嘅闊度乘紙嘅數量。第一幅牆總長度等於6張紙嘅邊長加埋3乘6等於18 cm。第二幅牆總長度等於6張紙嘅邊長加埋3乘6等於18 cm。
Puppy's house. The length of the first wall equals length of paper times number of paper. The length of the second wall equals width of paper times number of paper. The length of the first wall is equal to the sum of the side length of 6 sheets of paper. 3 times 6 is equal to 18 centimeters. The length of the second wall is equal to the sum of the side length of 6 sheets of paper. 3 times 6 is equal to 18 centimeters.
小狗話：計好2幅牆嘅長度再乘埋，就係我間房嘅面積，18乘18等於324平方嘅米。
Puppy's house. The area of Puppy's room is equal to the length of the 2 walls multiplied. 18 times 18 is equal to 324 square centimeters. Puppy said, multiple the length of the 2 walls, and then you can calculate the area of my room. 18 times 18 is equal to 324 square centimeters.
兔仔喺屋企，第一幅牆嘅長度等於書本闊度乘書本數量，第二幅牆嘅長度等於書本長度乘書本數量，第一幅牆總長度等於8本書嘅闊度加埋2乘8等於16 cm， 第二幅牆總長度等於5本書嘅長度加埋3乘5等於15 cm。
Bunny's house. The length of the first wall equals width of books times number of books. The length of the second wall equals length of books times number of books. The length of the first wall is equal to the sum of the width of 8 books. 2 times 8 is equal to 16 centimeters. The length of the second wall is equal to the sum of the width of 5 books. 3 times 5 is equal to 15 centimeters.
兔仔話：2幅牆嘅長度再相乘，間房嘅面積就係16乘15等於240。
Bunny's house. The area of Puppy's room is equal to the length of the 2 walls multiplied. 16 times 15 is equal to 240 cm2. Bunny said, multiple the length of the 2 walls, and then you can calculate the area of my room. 16 times 15 is equal to 240 cm2.
雞仔嘅屋企，2幅牆嘅長度等於雞仔腳步長度乘行嘅步數。第一幅牆總長度等於雞仔行4步嘅長度，6乘4等於24厘米。第二幅牆總長度等於雞仔行3步嘅長度，6乘3等於18厘米。
Chick's house. The area of Chick's room is equal to the length of the 2 walls multiplied. 24 times 18 is equal to 432 square centimeters.
雞仔話：2幅牆長度乘埋就係我間房嘅面積，24乘18等於432平方厘米。
Chick said, multiple the length of the 2 walls, and then you can calculate the area of my room. 24 times 18 is equal to 432 square centimeters.
房間面積計算正確，同學們，你哋已經掌握咗面積公式。長頸鹿老師話：
好叻，大家都回答正確。
You all calculated the areas of your rooms correctly. Students, you have mastered using area formula. Teacher Giraffe said, awesome. Everyone answered correctly.
根據面積計算結果，我們可以得出結論：小雞的房間是最大的，其次是小狗，然後是小兔子，最後是小豬的房間。
According to the results of area calculation, we can draw the conclusion that Chick's room is the largest, followed by Puppy, then Bunny, and lastly, Piggy's room.
圖片詞典：正方形、長方形、乘法、面積。圖片詞典：正方形、長方形、乘法、面積。
Picture dictionary: square, triangle, multiplication, area. Picture dictionary: square, triangle, multiplication, area. 電子
書、紙、鉛筆、學校、牆。電子、書、紙、鉛筆、學校、牆。
Cushion, book, paper, pencil, school, wall. Cushion, book, paper, pencil, school, wall.
作者簡介：方曉璇女士係香港教育大學課程與教學部門嘅教育博士學生，曾經獲得香港教育大學教育碩士學位。佢嘅研究興趣係數學同埋語言教育，佢對撰寫數學故事深感興趣，對數學閱讀充滿熱情，希望可以令小朋友喺閱讀中開心地學習數學。朱啟華博士為香港大學教育學院副教授，曾任香港大學教育學院資訊及科技教育部主任。2013到2016，佢獲得2個教育博士學位，倫敦大學學院電子學習博士及香港大學圖書館及資訊管理博士，亦都為遊戲化學習專家及兒童文學作家編審簡介。陳敏儀女士畢業於香港大學，獲教育榮譽學士學位1級榮譽，繼而持有香港大學教育碩士學位，成績優異及香港教育大學 Meso 碩士學位。佢係國際圖聯專業分部委員會主席，具有豐富小學行政主任、圖書館主任經驗，亦為香港大學兼任講師、香港教育大學客席講師。